COVID-19 is a very deadly virus. Only prevention can save us, because as you all know that there is no vaccine available in the market to combat coronavirus. So please be safe and spread awareness around yourself. I hope all of you are fine and safe wherever you are, and I hope all of you are fine and safe wherever you are, and comment below stating that I am safe in double inverted commas to mark our fight against COVID-19. Let's utilize this time by learning the Solidworks. So in this video we are going to learn about different techniques, and by using those different techniques we are going to make a random structure. Like this. We are going to make this structure, but just we are going to follow 2 to 3 simple steps. So make sure that you also hit the subscribe button, and yeah, so let's start. Make a new file, part, we are going to select front plane, sketch, here select line, make a line like this. Now select this line and press Ctrl key and hold that key. Select this point and make relation. Select this point, and this point. Make relation horizontal. And here we are going to draw this section view, and then we are going to revolve around one axis. You can see that the section has been done from here to here and here to here. So let's see how to design that. First of all, we are going to make a line like this from here to here and upward, and we are going to draw this half profile. Now go to line, go upward, go on the right side, downward, go here and meet that point. Now select the line, and this should be of 22 mm, and from this point to this point we have 8 mm of distance, and from this point to this point we have 11 mm of distance, and from this point to end point we have 35. From here to here we have, this circle is 35 radius, and dia is of 70. Then 35 plus radius 6, 35 plus 6, that is 41. Now just go here. We are going to make a center line, vertical center line from origin. Now go here, smart dimension, select this center line, select this slanted line. The angle between these two is 112 degrees. 112 degrees. Now this distance is 6 mm. Make sure that this one is vertical. So we have a fully defined sketch. We are just going to revolve this around the center line. For that we have to exit from the sketch, and here go to revolve boss base, and you can see that, and make sure that you have selected this 360 degrees. Click OK. Now we are going to make these arms. To make these arms, we are just going to cut this portion, this portion, this portion. For that, go here, select this lower surface, sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal. Now just select center line, make a center line like this, or just select circle, make a circle like this, and this is of dia 70 mm. This is of dia 70 mm, and select the circle for construction. Okay, go to circle again and make a circle, one circle, and choose my dimension, and this circle is of radius 6 mm. Sorry, radius 6 mm, then it should be of dia 12 mm. Now select center line, make a center line from this point to this point. Now select line, make a line like this, select this point and this circle, make relation coincident, select this line and this circle and make relation tangent. Select this line and the center line and select this line and the center line, mirror it. Just go here, smart dimension, select this line and the center line, and the angle between these two is 22 degrees. We are just going to make a circular pattern around this circle. Just here go to circular pattern, under the linear sketch pattern, select first parameter, this one, and here choose 3 and entities to pattern, this entity, this entity, this entity. Now click OK. So these are not actually up to the mark. Just pick that point and drag it a bit, and again you will find a point here and drag it to origin point. Now we have got our desired shape. Select this point and this point, make an arc, 3-point arc. Select this arc, select this line by pressing and holding Control key and make relation tangent. Select this point, this curve and this line again, and make relation tangent. Now just go here, smart dimension, and give this a radius 22 mm. Now just again go to circular pattern, entities to pattern, parameter, we are going to select this inner circle, entities to pattern, okay, 3 entities to pattern, select this one, click OK. Now our sketch is fully defined. We are just going under the feature, extruded cut, select this one, and this one as the extrude cut. Here select through all both, click OK. So we have got the desired shape. I'm just going to apply the material to it. Under here, go to steel, and you will find an option that is carbon steel. Just drag it over the part. I'm going to give some color to it. Just give this color, this nice texture. Click OK. Now we are just going to make counter hole on these 3 arms. Just select this sketch, Control 8 for normal. Now go to circle, make a circle of 4.5 mm, dia 4.5 mm, 4.5 mm. Now go to a linear sketch, circular sketch, select this, and here choose 360 degree and entities to pattern, this one, click OK. Just select this point, drag a bit, you will get a point this, and made to the origin, you will get a fully defined geometry. Now go to features, extruded cut, cut this up to 4 mm. Now click OK. Now select this one, this surface, sketch, Control 8 for normal. Now go to circle again, we are going to make a circle of dia 8 mm. Now just go here under the linear sketch pattern, you will find an option that is circular sketch pattern. Select this edge as the first parameter, here 3 again, 360 entities to pattern, this one, click OK. You will get a geometry under defined. Just pick this point, drag it, and you will find an point, and again drag to the origin. Now go to feature, extrude cut, pick this handle and drag it in one direction only. So our counter bore is ready. Now go to fillet, here one, select this edge and this edge, click OK. Now under the color scheme, we are going to change the color scheme of this. Go to red, sorry, delete this first, and here feature, fillet feature is selected, and that is red one. Okay. Now we are just going to apply some chamfer, put 2 mm, that is okay. Yeah, this has been applied by myself. It has not been mentioned in the drawing, but you can play around. Let's reduce to 1 mm. Now that is fine. So this was our random structure. This has been featured in Solidworks Model Mania also. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Thanks.